think you mean me that much. Guys, nagbalik ka na? Oo, long time. Hi, everyone. Oo, bumalik na. Kumusta? Okay lang. Hi, boss. Rex, thank you so much. Thank you. Graduate ka na. Graduating. Hi, Jackie. Congrats. Thank you. Guys, nag-eat na ba kayo? Thank you. Hi, everyone. I look slimmer now. I don't think so. Because I always eat a lot. Right now, I'm eating again. Nice.
New Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Madilim. Matutulog na ako meron.
Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you.
All around
you. I will be here, don't you cry. Your voice is small, you seem so strong. I only hope you see that you are. This one takes 10 people. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you know me.
Ano lang naman nito? Ay, puta. Oo. I thought it was. Siyempre, ilang months lang yun. Pero babalik ako, no? Babalik ako. Hoy, 3 months lang naman ako nawala, to. Ilang months ba? When you
guess you'll be in love from this day on.
Ba't ikay na? Wala. Lagi, mix! Lagi akong nasasaktan pag ekanin ko eh. Lagi akong nasasaktan, mix, pag eka, putik. Bakit ba? May mali ba sa akin ngayon? Miss you, mix! Jabor! Miss you, mix! Kapul na ako bumalik. Tapos nadaanan ko na live mo. Nahiya na akong tumambay sa live mo yan. Nahiya na ako tumambay. Hindi ako natambay. Nahiya ako. Hi, Red Ram. Wait lang, busog lang. Ayoko na. Hindi ko namin miss. Pre, pipiling ko, miss mo ako. Piling ko lang. Merci ko. Anghang. One week lang. Ba't 1 week? Ibang eka yung sinasabi mo. Hindi ako yan. Anghang. Game na. Hi everyone.
Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the blood of the Crips and the KKK. But if you don't have love for your own,
Laki ng mukha ko,
then
no?
you only need space to discriminate. Then you discriminate.
Hi, everyone.
And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate.
I want Gigi. Hi. Hi everyone. James, shout out. Chotu. Hi.
Love is to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, yo.
Killing people dying, children hurt, and even crying. When you practice what you preach,
Anger. Hi.
Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
It just ain't the same. Always a change. New days are strange. All the same. If love and peace is so strong, why are the pieces of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs. Chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering. As the youth are young, so
Ronito, parehas tayo may tite. Ronito, paano pag sabihin ko sa'yo parehas tayo may tite, ha? Hi, James.
is the love it really comes so I can ask myself really what is going wrong in this world that we
Uy, joke lang. Hindi ako nababash ng trans, ha? Joke lang po. Joke lang.
living in. People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them living in. Respecting each other, denying the other. A war's going on, but the reason's undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love, yo? Come on, where's the truth, yo? Come on, where's the love, yo?
People kill practice what you preach, but you turn the other cheek. Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. Got me questioning.
Ah, malapit ka na. Ano? Sige. Kick kita.
Where is the love, the love, the love?
James, sana all. Oh, sige Ronnie to, isa ka pa. Doon ka sa kabilang, doon ka sa ibang live, Ronnie to, ha. Doon ka. Kick, kick, kick.
Always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the young minds faster than bacteria.
Taas ko kayo.
Act like what they see in the cinema. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we spreading kind and
Maalog ba?
lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling
Naalog ba?
There's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive. Love is found. Ask yourself.
Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the love?
Sing with me, y'all.
Manda.
We only got
Ano, nakakaganda, pero nakaka-careful. That's why I switched to Pantene.
Hoy, it was me. Titi mo mabaho.
Just go careful
Baho
and
mo.
back. Can your shampoo do that? Pantene?
Baho mo, ulul.
What's new inside Kinder Joy? Look, it's Masha and the bear.
Ulul,
and
ulul,
the Fat
ulul,
Wheels
fuck you.
collection. All that plus. Combined with 2 crunchy wafer bites. Discover the new range with your kids.
Father, 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 help us.
Uy guys, graduation na namin sa 31. Diyos ko, wala pa akong susuotin. Wait lang. Hi, John Bob. I'm okay. Oh my God, John Bob. I miss your all the kiss me that you've sent before. Nice. I still remember you, no?
Lord, just need one more chance to prove
Love to you.
If you come back to me, I'll guarantee and I'll never let you go. We go back to the days of
Can you tell me how perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how you give things back the way they
Oh, I still remember you, John Bob. Oy, Rocky! Thank you so much! Napaka-OA. Rocky, thank you so much! I hope you have a good night. To all people that want to send gift or what, don't be shy. We are all human. If you're human, send gifts. If you're a bot, okay. Ano daw? Tagal mo nawala. Uy, 3 months lang. 3 months enough lang. 3 months enough lang. Alam mo, Rocky Road, pag bumabalik yung host, it means medyo gipit-gipit na yan. It means, ano na yan, yung bangko nila, ano na, wala na. Back to zero na. Uy, tingnan nyo naman brush ko, Diyos ko. Awang-awa na nga ako dito. Ewan ko, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya kasi magdin. Tapos di ko na alam kung saan ko siya nabili. Pero tanda ko, binili ko siya sa isang shop dito sa amin. dito sa may Tanawan, sa market. Pero hindi ko na alam kung saan. Basta tanda ko, ninenok ko pa nga tata ito, yun ako ko pa ng grade 6 ako. Charot lang. Hindi ko na alam kung saan siya. Ang ganda niya mag-blend. Hindi ko na alam kung saan to nabibili. Wala rin man sa online. Siguro meron. Kaso hindi ko lang afford. Agard! Hi! Agard! Hello, hello. Kung na, I'm okay. Aparada. Alam niyo ba, akala ko before si Aparada, akala ko Thailander ka before, kaya lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, kaya lagi kita ini-English, tapos hindi ko alam, Tagalog ka pala, may work ka na, wala. Pero lagi lang ako nagala with friends. Nag-work ako, pero part-time ko lang yun, Algar. Like, hindi siya full-time. Kuya Parada! Kapong ka! Thank you so much! Ano ko lang yon Algar, part-time. More on gala with friends. ID number, hi! Kasi, hindi ako ngayon nag-work pa guys. Kasi, konti na lang graduation na namin eh. Sa katapusan na yung graduation namin. So, hinintay ko na nga yung diploma ko para BS Malbar Secret! Guys, alam nyo, ilang araw na ako nasa bahay. Tapos kung gagala kami, nasa medyo malapit-lapit lang. Kasi kapag daw graduating, malapit daw sa akala ko nakagraduate. Hindi po nga schoolmate ko eh. Ano schoolmate? Basta ang graduation namin, sa 30. Tapos guys, hindi pa ako makagala. For example, may nagaya, hindi pa ako yes guys. Kasi, nyo naman, pag-graduating, may kasabihan. Pag-graduating ko, ganyan. Oo, picture pa lang yun. John Bob, how are you?
Please forgive me.
Thanks.
Please. I know you just. I'm sorry.
Wait lang guys. Hi everyone! Thank you so much! Uy guys, kausapin niyo ako. Thank you man for talking. Come back to me. Can we go back Can somebody tell? Nagtagyan lang din yung mo. Wait lang, guys. Anong song gusto niyo, guys? Yeah, perfect.
Your Mandan, only 100% vitamin E. Even
James, thank you.
Maganda, di ba?
Yeah, Max Fine Fragrance Collection. Smell irresistible sweet.
Can we go back to the days of love was? I had to the plane like Elias in the dream of again. Welcome to the land that they make sense. Oh, and I'm gonna get in. Up when they got right in, but it was time into my life, and I said I'm really inside. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so become one po. Two, na 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 na, yun ba yun? And the Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on. A butterfly kind of way. My hands up to famous, the one. Yeah. Hi, Myeonji. Darcy, hi. Hi, Jay. Hi, everyone. Everybody sitting at me now. Like, oh, that shit. Oy, the one, do you still remember me? I think you still remember me. That's why you're here. Eh? Or you just maybe familiar to my face, but to my name, you don't know me anymore like that. So guys, wait lang. Nakalimutan ko mag-share live. Nakalimutan ko mag-share live. Oh? And a brand new song was on. And a brand new time was on. Stuck my hands up to play my song. Okay. Hi everyone. Stop to play my song. Jepong, hi. Something stops me every time. The DJ takes my song and I feel Oo nga eh, work na naman. Hi everyone! Roror! Hi! Alam niyo, di ba nag-rest ako ng 3 months? Tapos nung bumalik ako yung yesterday, akala ko sobrang tumal. Yung gantong tumal, ganyan. Sabi ko nga, magta 30 minutes lang ako, okay na ako. Basta babalik na ako this month. Tapos, akala ko okay na dito sa Bigo. Pero ano pa rin pala, no? May mga ano pa din, no, kalokohan na ano. Dami ko pa rin nakikitang ano, or hindi na dito mahigpit. Welcome back. Or hindi na dito madami pa rin area. Akala ko nga wala na masyado dito kasi nakita ko na sila sa TALA. Kasi dun sa TALA, parang pinopost, kunwari from Bigo ka, tas sikat ka. Pinopost ka nila na welcome to Tala, and ganon, whatsoever. Ganon, nakala ko wala ang tao dito. Tapos nung inopen ko, dami pa pala. Ayun, bumalik na rin na. tinitigyawat ako. Tingnan niyo naman yung face ko. Sobrang sira siya. Like, hindi sobra. Ayoko lang. Maarte lang talaga. Ay, totoo? Uy, hindi. Nakita ko pa sila last time dito. Nakita ko pa sila last time dito eh. Nung isang araw nga lang ata eh. Diba, James? Thank you so much! Nakita ko pa sila dito last time. Somehow, in the morning like my mother says, when you better live your life right. Oh, mama, they went not the fortunate ones. Hi everyone, magsisipag na ako guys. Kailangan ko na ulit mag-save ng money. Hi po! Hi Shish! Ogias! Ay, pogyat ng tata sa ibang live kanina. Thanks so much. Now, you can pogyat din naman kung ba nagbunog talaga kasi alam ko kaya lahat guys kasi nangihinayang ako yung may 9,999 isang session, Diyos ko, bunutin ko na lang to. Huwag na. Uy, grabe ka. Okay lang. Hoy, alam mo ba, kakabalik ko lang kahapon. Ay, alam niyo ba guys, kakabalik ko lang kahapon. Tapos, may mga alam niyo yung mga private dito. Akala ko wala na sila ganyan. Kasi sabi nila, mabait na daw dito sa Bigil. Like, wala na mga ganun. Tapos, nasa TALA na daw lahat ng mga ganun. Diyos ko, dami pa rin mga dito, chung-chung. Ang daming parang gang dito. Sa Motherhood. Mo, Jersey. Uy! Magpaano na kayo sa akin? Magpatapuan na kayo sa akin. Magpatapuan na kayo sa akin. Dito kayo sa akin. Alagaan ko kayo. Joke lang. Kayo naman. I can. Hi everyone. Basic. Pinasbo. Hi everyone. Tingnan nyo naman hand ko. No ugat. Aray ko ha. Hi everyone. Uy, magpatapuan kayo sa akin. Dali na. Pag nagpatapuan kayo sa akin, I will take care of your eggs. Kasi guys, paitindahan kami dito, mga kasi nag-alaga yung dad ko ng mga manok. Siyempre, pag nag-alaga yung dad ko ng manok, marami kaming itlog. Yan. Sa magiging tapuan ko, ayan, bibigyan namin kayo ng supply ng itlog lifetime. I just wanna have fun. I just wanna. Ay, Mika! Ay, dinadaan na lang nila ako. Pangit ba ako ngayon? Oh, sige, lalayo-layo ako. Feeling ko kasi napapangitan sila sa akin. Feeling ko lang. Ba't kayo nadaan lang? Ba't yan? Usapin niyo ako.